Reproduction in human beings. Humans are sexually reproducing organisms. Sexual maturation is the period of life when production of germ cells or gametes start in the body. As you know, female gametes are called ova or egg and male gametes are sperm. This period of sexual maturation is called puberty. Changes at puberty. The changes that are common in male and female during puberty. Thick hair growth in armpits and genital area. And skin becomes oily and may result in pimples. The changes in girls. Breast size begin to increase. Girls begin to menstruate or the first menstruation happens during this period. And in boys, thick hair growth on face and eyes begin to crack. These changes signal that sexual maturity is taking place. Male reproductive system. A pair of testes. A pair of testes are located inside scrotum. Scrotum is present outside the abdominal cavity. Scrotum has a relatively lower temperature needed for the production of sperms. Testes release male sex hormone that is called testosterone. The function of testosterone is it regulates the production of sperms and it brings changes at puberty. Male reproductive system. The first part in male reproductive system is a pair of testes. Testes are located inside scrotum and scrotum is present outside abdominal cavity. Male hormone that is testosterone is released by testes and its functions are regulate production of sperms and it bring changes at puberty. Next part of male reproductive system is vas deferens. It is a duct or tube. It passes sperms from testes into urethra. It is a duct. It passes sperms produced in testes. It carries that sperms from testes to urethra. Next is urethra. It is a common passage for both sperms and urine. Its outer covering is called penis. Associated glands. Some glands are also associated with male reproductive system in humans. That are one pair of seminal vesicles and one prostate gland. And their secretions, that is these glands add their secretion to the sperms. This fluid provide nourishment to sperms and make their transport easy. Sperm along with the secretion of glands form semen. Next is female reproductive system. The main part of female reproductive system or the first part we are going to discuss is ovary. A pair of ovary is located in both sides of abdomen. Female gametes or eggs are produced inside ovary. At the time of birth of a girl, thousands of immature eggs are present in the ovary. At the onset of puberty, some of these eggs start maturing. One egg is produced or one egg is matured every month by one of the ovaries. The process of release of egg from the ovary is called ovulation. Oviduct or fallopian tube. Oviduct or fallopian tube receives the egg produced by the ovary and transfer it to the uterus. The fertilization, that is the fusion of gametes, takes place in the oviduct or fallopian tube. Uterus. Uterus is a bag-like structure where development of the baby takes place. Uterus opens into vagina through cervix. When egg is fertilized, the fertilized egg is called zygote. The zygote, that is when egg is fertilized, the zygote is implanted in uterus. Zygote develops there into an embryo. The embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of a special tissue called placenta. The placenta provides a large surface area for the exchange of glucose, oxygen, and waste material. The time period from fertilization up to the birth of the baby is called gestation period. Gestation period is about 9 months in the case of human beings. When egg is not fertilized, the uterus prepares itself every month to receive fertilized egg. The lining of the uterus becomes thick and spongy and is required to support the embryo. For that, all the changes will happen inside the uterus. When fertilization is not taking place, this lining is not needed any longer. This lining breaks and comes out through vagina as blood and mucus. This cycle takes around 28 days every month and is called menstruation.